Want to unleash the full power of your Axies but you're stuck at square one because you don't have any Ethereum? Let's get you started. First, you'll need an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin are all solid choices for this example. We'll use Binance. If you don't have an account already, head to Binance.com and click register. Follow their sign-up process, which typically involves providing an email address, creating a secure password, and verifying your identity. Verification is crucial to unlock full functionality and adhere to regulations. This usually involves uploading a governmentist ID, like a passport or driver's license, and may include a selfie. Once your account is verified, you're ready to deposit funds. Navigate to the deposit section, usually found under wallet or funds. Choose your preferred deposit method. Binance offers various options, including credit, debit cards, bank transfers, and even other cryptocurrencies. Credit, debit cards are the fastest but often have higher fees. Bank transfers are generally cheaper but take longer. Select Ethereum as your deposit currency. Now, you'll use your deposited funds to purchase Ethereum. Go to the trade section and search for the ETH, USDT, or ETH, your currency trading pair. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy, or the amount of your currency you want to spend, and execute the trade. Double-check all the details before confirming your purchase. Next, you need a Ronin wallet. Ronin is a sidechain built specifically for Axie Infinity, offering faster and cheaper transactions. Download the Ronin wallet extension for your browser from the Chrome Web Store or the official Ronin wallet website. Create a new wallet. Write down your seed phrase securely and set a strong password. Copy your Ronin wallet address. It starts with Ronin. Back on Binance, go to Withdraw, select Ethereum, and paste your Ronin wallet address. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer and confirm the withdrawal. Remember that there may be withdrawal fees associated with this transaction. Once the Ethereum arrives in your Ronin wallet, you're ready to buy Axies, land, or other items on the Axie marketplace, or to breed your Axies. Happy battling!